Charleston, South Carolina, a fascinating city in which to live, do research, and study. Charleston, a major port with nearby beaches, pristine salt marshes, creeks, large and small estuarine systems, and the open sea. These special qualities place the Charleston Higher Education Consortium graduate program in marine biology in an ideal location. Students have the opportunity to do research in both unspoiled and polluted areas. The program is designed to prepare students to become professional marine biologists, familiar with the many aspects of the marine environment and fully competent in their area of research.
I believe that all of our students here are being prepared to be professional marine biologists, and in two different aspects. One is preparing us to go on to a higher degree such as a PhD, and at the same time it's also preparing some of us to go right into work with areas of marine resources or wildlife fisheries or aquaculture or a number of other different areas.
The Master of Science degree in marine biology is granted by the College of Charleston, a consortium member. The program involves researchers and academicians from the college, the South Carolina Wildlife and Marine Resources Department, the Medical University of South Carolina, and the Citadel. This strong collaborative arrangement offers unique opportunities for students with interests in a wide variety of marine biological and biomedical fields. Additional involvement by researchers from the Southeastern Laboratory of the National Marine Fisheries Service allows the students to come in contact with a considerable variety of professional expertise and equipment.
I can't imagine a program that has more advantages from the student standpoint.
Dr. Paul Sandifer is director of the Marine Resources Division of the South Carolina Wildlife and Marine Resources Department and a former director of the graduate program.
You're right on the coast. You have the beaches, you have the old city, many activities available, and from a research standpoint and educational standpoint, they can stay here year-round.
All marine biology graduate courses are taught at Fort Johnson, a 20-minute ride from historic downtown Charleston. Some of the facilities at the Marine Science Complex include the College of Charleston's Grice Marine Biological Laboratory for research and teaching, a large collection room housing thousands of preserved fishes and invertebrates, and an aquarium room that includes storage tanks of Charleston harbor water. Graduate students are entitled to use facilities and resources of all consortium institutions. Dormitory facilities are also available to marine biology students at the Grice Marine Laboratory. Carol Baldwin finds it very convenient. The Virginia native said this marine biology graduate program was her first choice.
The lab being right on the harbor, there's a chance to, if you want to, study polluted areas, and there's also a lot of areas around that are clean, so you have just really a lot of different types of habitats you can study, different types of water to sample.
Students have access to a full range of research equipment, such as vessels and nets, complex chemical analysis instruments, advanced microscopes, and aquaculture facilities, like this clam farm at Folly Beach. Consortial institutions offer an academically diverse program that ensures graduates a broad background in many areas of marine biology. To complete the 30-hour program, the student takes a required core course in oceanography and additional courses from such offerings as ichthyology, marine botany, crustacean biology, marine parasitology, aquaculture, fisheries biology, marine toxicology, marine ecology, biological statistics, and marine invertebrate zoology.
Now, if you look at this, you can see the characteristic arms and tentacles.
Individual students meet with a faculty advisor to plan a course of study. Dr. Charles Birnbaum, a biology professor at the College of Charleston, is one of the regular faculty members in the graduate program. Dr. Birnbaum enjoys working closely with students.
There are well more faculty than there are students. Because of that, the students get more individual attention than you'd normally expect. Certainly far more than an undergraduate institution, and well more than a lot of graduate schools. The students, of course, are guided by an official committee of 4 people, but they get input, advice, equipment, supplies, assistance from well more than that in almost all cases.
The individualized counseling and job placement is also a plus for the Marine Graduate Program. Many of the graduates have gone on to teaching, appropriate research, doctoral programs, or management positions.
The college program has been probably more than any single thing, the most important thing in terms of finding employment and doing well in the job. It's given me background that I certainly didn't obtain with just a bachelor's degree. It really is right, so to speak, that Charleston should have a marine biology program, and a good one, such as the College of Charleston. There's a lot of tradition here, and of course the college has a lot of tradition in itself, so I think it's very applicable that the program be located here.